Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Dear entrepreneur, imagine making over $10,000 per month just by using AdSense, ChatGPT, and the simple art of copy pasting. Does it sound too good to be true? Stand by and see for yourself. We've unlocked a groundbreaking method for you to get free, unlimited, organic traffic without the usual grind. No more endless SEO or social media struggles. It's a first-of-its-kind AdSense hack. Presenting AdSense Free Traffic Loops. Our 8 meticulously crafted modules are tailored for AdSense success in any niche. They're designed to maximize your earnings with simple copy-paste techniques. Inside, you'll discover our free, unlimited organic traffic method that can help you rank on Google the same day. And I can assure you the results from this free traffic method are phenomenal. By grabbing AdSense Free Traffic Loops today, you'll master the art of creating infinite link loops. This super hack can triple your traffic flow effortlessly, pushing your AdSense earnings to great heights. The best part, you get paid per click. You don't need to sell anything at all. And whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, our system is 100% beginner friendly with unlimited support. But you need to hurry because the price will go up soon. And always remember that the only person who can make a difference is you. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Today, you can start getting paid per click with free traffic by grabbing AdSense Free Traffic Loops right now. Get ready for a life-changing experience by working from the comfort of your home and take control of your future. Go below this video and grab your copy now. We'll see you inside.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.